What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana. As you can see, a huge green candlestick means a pump in value guys. It has gone up nearly 12% in the last 24 hours, making it $11.16. As you can see, a random pump out of nowhere earlier this morning, going from about just under $10 all the way up to nearly hitting the $12 mark. So we're going to be going through where is this crypto heading to in 2023. Is this the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and of course, as usual, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can it go? Can it hit $100 by the end of the year, or is it just going to keep dropping in value? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website right now. We can see here the market is up just over a percentage and a half in the last 24 hours, which is quite good compared to how it was performing over the last couple of weeks. And of course, we got Solana here in the last hour itself. It has more or less fluctuated in value, very minimal drop, doesn't really matter. Over the last day, nearly 12%. It did hit about, let's have a look here, nearly 20% in a space of about 10-15 minutes, and then drop back down, and right now trading at $11.15. Over the week, it is again just about fluctuation. It was dropping for the first half of the week, and then second half it was gaining value. And over the month, a massive 18% down guys, so nearly a fifth of its value has been wiped off in a single month, which is not looking too great. But again, most cryptos, when you look at the monthly chart from now on, they are down about 15, 20, 30%, some of them even 40%. But again, that was the month of December, which was not too great. But again, since yesterday, so the start of 2023, we have been seeing some very minimal recoveries, and hopefully we should be able to see that recovery ongoing for the next couple of weeks and months, and hopefully more green candles this year. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 145% in the last 24 hours, making it $508 million. Million dollars in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Solana. The only reason why we're seeing a huge increase is because yesterday, not many people are trading the crypto. Obviously, with New Year's and so on, not many people are going to be focusing on the crypto market, literally spending time with friends and families and so on. And right now, today, 2nd of Jan, people are back onto the crypto market, and that's why we're seeing the percentage increase. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Solana at $11.40. However, it is trading at slightly lower value here in red at $11.15. Nothing too crazy, so more or less it's performing like it's meant to, and more or less it is on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Solana. But again, it is going to be a minimal drop in value, nothing too crazy, nothing major, potentially dropping down to about $10.50 to $11, somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting Solana to be trading over the next 12 to 14 hours. But in between that time, so over the next 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, I am expecting it to pump up to about 11.50, just over 11.50, and then drop back down. So it's going to be quite volatile. You're going to see green and red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got a mixed signal. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially, we have got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Solana over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, Solana should be trading at just over the $11 mark. Around $11.20 is what I'm expecting. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to be staying at that current price range consistently over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit $12-13, drop down below $10, quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last 2-3 weeks. But the overall outcome, once again, seems to be on the neutral side, so fluctuating at the current price range towards the end of the week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? I'm expecting bullish lines. Yes, guys, we do have the blue and the orange line, both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Of course, the blue line is looking a little bit more bullish, a little bit more steeper than the orange line, but that doesn't matter. As long as we've got both the lines heading towards a positive direction, means an overall increase in value is what is expected from Solana over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-Feb to late February 2023. We should be expecting Solana to be trading over the $15 to $16 mark is what my predictions are. Again, I'm taking it slow and steady here. I don't want it to go up to about $30-40 out of nowhere, because what would happen after that is it's going to drop straight back down to about $15-20. That's not what we want. We want it to go up in a slow and steady pace, and that makes the project sustainable. And even though, yes, it may go above the $20 mark, or even around the $20 mark, in between that time, it's very likely that it's going to drop. So we have to take the drops in consideration as well. So by late February, $15 to $16 is where I'm expecting Solana to hit. And overall, towards the end of the year, hopefully, guys, depending on how the crypto market performs. Of course, 2022 was not too great for the crypto market, with major crashes throughout the whole year. Has taken Solana all the way down to $11. However, when you look at it about a year ago, it was trading around over $100, as you can see here. January 2022 were nearly at $130, and right now has dropped all the way down to $11. Hopefully, we can make Solana go back up in value and trade over $100 by the end of the year. Let me know your predictions on Solana by the end of the year. Can it hit $100 or not? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and bearish on this crypto. If not, where do you guys think Solana would be by the end of the year? What price target are you guys expecting it to hit? Let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Solana. Obviously, with the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone here, we're going to have to hit $63.05, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go for about a 300 to 400% increase, which I'm not expecting from Solana anytime soon. So yeah, we've got a while to hit $63. Potentially second half of the year, we may be able to head into the green zone. But again, we still got time for that. And as you guys have requested, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Solana, at least about 3 to 4 times a week. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.